Hello to you. I'm Jesse Johnson. This is How to Have Good Health, the Arnold Schwarzenegger way. There are 4 base ways to stay healthy. Physical, number 1. 2, mental. 3, spiritual. And 4, socially. Physical includes air, water, food, sleep, extrication, using the restroom that is, auxiliary physical needs, including clothing, shelter. Mental includes thinking, made of thoughts, dreams, feelings, emotions, the deeper forms of feelings, deep, vague patterns, unconscious patterns. Social includes level of harmony with others, consideration of others, including all living beings. Spiritual include the chakra, awakenness, true consciousness, not the artificial awakenness and the artificial consciousness you are now in and think and feel is consciousness, which isn't. Let's start with physical and what to do to become much more healthy physically. Many of you don't have money and may not be able to afford many things I'll state. But you must push to get and to have in the world to be healthy. Good health is not free. You must work hard for it and to maintain it. Physical, number 1. We'll start with number 1, which is physical body health. A, get a water purifier to drink 99.99% pure water every day. B, get 2 to 10 air purifiers and put 1 or 2 in each room of your dwelling to have the purest air to breathe every day. C, eat mono meals. That's M-O-N-O, mono meals, which is to eat one single thing as a whole meal. If you're having corn, eat lots of corn and only corn as the whole meal. The system digests only one type of food, which makes it much easier on your system. The matter is, what you eat, don't eat any type of animal-derived foods, none whatsoever. The system Animal foods are dirty and filthy foods to the human physiology. Vegan, or eating every type and kind of plant foods, is superior to all other food diets. When you eat, certain times of the day are better than others. Have meals the same time every day. Pick the times of day carefully. Where you eat, some physical places are far better than others. Eating in a peaceful place is far better than a place filled with madness. How you eat. First, food must be easy to assimilate and easy to eliminate. Second, you must practice nutritious before the delicious to be healthy. Why you eat. The first reason above all reasons is to live. Second, to eat to gain and keep the highest form of health. Take supplements if needed. Now let's go to 1A, auxiliary needs. Your house or place of dwelling, the place you stay, keep it extra clean and in good order. Clothing. Keep and wear clean clothing and comfortable clothing at all times. Number 2, spiritual health. The disease of the spiritual are based on about 90% thought, embedded deep thought, not easy to dissolve and dismantle. These are the reasons for meditation methods. Embedded thought produces the ego. The ego is the false sense of self you have at this moment. It is so complex, it stands out as a person, but it is made of less than thin air. Hold on, please. Now let's continue. Your sense of self, being a person, a character, is not real. Its deep embedded structures are difficult to unmoor. All human insanity is based on mental structures of deep embedded thinking and thoughts of the wrong forms, types, and kind. Your artificial sense of self is mainly based on wrong thinking and thought. To become spiritually healthy, you must take one of several dozen forms of meditations to slow, S-L-O-W, slow the process of insanity down, since every adult human is insane to differing degrees and levels except the awakened. Two simple meditation ways to slow thought down so as to unravel it is A. Focus on a small dot and don't let your eyes off of it while stopping breathing for 15 to 20 seconds at a time. Rest 20 or so seconds, then repeat. Let's go to B. Pick any object and ask in thought only, what is this? In order for your system to answer this question, it must go into its memory, identify the object, and then respond. Without thought, you don't know what anything is. Nothing that has lived, lives now, or shall live in this universe don't know what anything is and never will. You, me, and nothing else is a true knowing being. Now, you are to practice this forever. You must ultimate absolute trust in existence to ever wake up. Trust is the key word here. Number 3, let's go to number 3, mental health. Mental health and strength depends on how much truths you have about almost everything as about life. Not machines and mechanics, but life. And the second thing you must have is order, mentally above all things. The less guessing, presumptions, assumptions, conjectures, opinions, beliefs, empty or substantial, you have, the greater your mental health. The much more mentally healthier you are and become. Your mental system creates the mind, which is based on memory and thoughts. The mind is made of thoughts. Thought is based on memory. The mind is a secondary process of the mental psychophysiology. Your mental mind states, creates your feelings, and your feelings produce your emotions, deep as well as surface. Clean the mental, and you clean almost everything. To be mentally unhealthy is to be mentally filthy and insane. Meditation cleanses one. It is to be the same as you. Now let's go to D, social health. The more harmony you have of yourself, the more harmony you'll have with others, not necessarily vice versa. Producing more health for all, because your health depends on others and their health depends on you. Let's go to E, sexual health. Sex is a biological aspect of the social health. Sex is a sociological, biological system, complex. Sex is simple. When male and female come together, sex comes into existence at that point. Sex takes two parental haploid polarities, male and female, to exist. You are not a sex. There is no such thing anywhere in nature such as homosexual or bisexual or transsexual, etc. The words are misnomers describing nothing real. Why? Because it is impossible. It is masturbation, auto masturbation and mutual masturbation and mutually consented rape. All masturbation is destructive subtly and grossly and destroys what is already here. That is, that which took hundreds of thousands of years to bring about ourselves, our kind. It is an ultimate crime against our kind. It cripples and deadens. Taken to its logical end, this practice exterminates our species. It is an anti-survival of our species act. Never, never, never commit this act. Now, I want to thank everyone for listening. Please share this video, subscribe of course, and have a good day, and stay healthy.